The touch of yours is what I've been looking for. Will you say my name? I just wanna feel you more. I tried to read your book, but it's too complicated.
Hey guys, girls, good morning, good afternoon. So today is something different. Obviously, as you can tell, I have no makeup on. I have waved my hair and I thought to give you a makeup look. I haven't done a makeup look in a while since lockdown. I've been missing it. I felt a bit shit today, so I thought may as well do it. So we are using the 20 colour palette by Beauty Bay, which I got in my last Beauty Bay haul. So if you do want to see that, then just click the link at the top. If you want to see my makeup look, then just keep watching. So I just go in with my Shine Killer by NYX. I usually put a pea-sized amount for all over my face. I kind of get my T-zones. And then I'm just going to go in with the Got To Be Schwarzkopf, and I'm going to apply this on my eyebrows just to give it a fluffy eyebrow look. So I'm going to speed up this process so it doesn't take too long, because this is probably the longest I take on my eyebrows. And we'll fill it in with the Benefit Brow. Now this is kind of like a micro needle pen, and I saw this on Jordan Lipscomb's video, and I love it how it kind of gives the look of fine little hairs that you have. It's a lot more natural instead of using pomades. The next thing I'm going to use is the Beauty Bay palette. Now I will link at the bottom of the description box of what colours I use. This is just a quick showcase of what you need to do and how to apply it. I will also link the brushes that I have used, because I do go very fast in this video. So I just wanted this video to be a very quick video, something that you guys can watch, and yeah, I hope you do like this. So next thing I'm going to do is actually curl my eyelashes. My eyelashes are naturally really long, so I don't mind curling them and not really wearing any eyelashes like falsies. Couldn't find my false lash glue, which I was annoyed about, because that would have been so nice with this look. Also, please don't mind my acne. It has been annoying, but hey ho, that's what the Glow foundation is for. I got it in the colour Toffee. I usually do a pump on my hand, and then I use a wet beauty blender. Sorry, it is very dirty, I do need to get a new one. And I just go all around my face with that. And I just make sure that every part of my face is covered, as well as my lips. So I blend. Now this looks a little bit lighter, so we're going to warm up the face with contour next. So the contour I use is actually Fenty Beauty, I couldn't find my other one, which is annoying, but yeah, this is my other go-to. So I do 2 lines, a line underneath and a line downwards, just to make it look a little bit better. Obviously contour my nose a little bit as well as my forehead. Now I again just blend it out with a normal beauty blender, nothing crazy, or I go in with a brush. I find it easier with brushes, it just has more stability sometimes and you have more control. At this moment I look absolutely crazy, promise. It is a process. The next thing I will be using is a concealer. Now it's one of the lightest concealers, I accidentally got it in the lightest one, but it's not too bad. I like doing the Robert Walsh technique with my concealer. As you can tell, I don't use that much. I've tried other concealing techniques, but I really like this one. It kind of sharpens your face a little bit more. Again, just go in with a normal beauty blender, a wet one, which is always what I recommend, and just a blend on. So next I go in my Too Faced bronzing powder. This is one of the darkest ones. Just go in with my normal kind of blusher brush and really start carving out those cheekbones, which are non-existent. I like to go up and around and do a little bit on my forehead, but nothing too crazy. I then am using the Jeffree Star. So I then go in with the Jeffree Star translucent powder. This one is kind of like a colour of banana powder. Again, I'll leave the link of what the colours are in the description box below, but it's something that I haven't done in a while and I really like this, as well as the smell of this. It smells so good. So the next thing I go in with is my lip liner from NYX. I liked overlining my lips when I was younger. Obviously now I have understood that I have very naturally gorgeous lips, so I just go in with a lipstick kind of just to enhance it. So this colour isn't going crazy, this is just like a subtle pink colour. I'm now going to brush off the excess of the powder just to make sure that the sculpting has worked. And as you can tell, it's kind of brought my cheekbones a little bit inwards. Camera quality isn't that great. I do apologise guys, but I'm trying to learn. I'm then going in with the Fenty Glow Bomb. This is my favourite highlighter. I just go up and down on a highlighter brush, as well as doing my nose, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, as well as my other cheekbone. Now with the next product that I use, I haven't used it before but I loved it. This is from my Beauty Bay haul. This is the Stella blush. I just popped it with a foundation brush and I just dotted it over, and it really brought the look to life and I absolutely loved it. I just do an awkward weird smile. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked my little voiceover video. It's going to be a little bit shorter just to make some time, so it'll probably be a lot better than the ones that I used to blab about. So make sure you like, share and subscribe like I've told you to. Make sure that we get to at least 100 subscribers by 2021. I want this to be a good year. Nothing like last year, guys. Well, last year, like I'm talking it like it's already 2021. But I do like using this amazing palette. I'll link everything in this description box below, and make sure you like, share and subscribe. Everybody say it with me. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for following me on this journey, and I will speak to you guys soon. Bye.